Pinecone AI review. Is it worth it? So Pinecone is a fully managed vector database built for powering AI applications, such as semantic, search, recommendation systems, and a large machine learning tasks. It handles the storage and retrieval of vector embeddings with low latency, so developers don't have to worry about building or maintaining complex infrastructure. So its process, it is fast and scalable. It handles millions to billions of embeddings with milliseconds level search speeds. It is also fully managed service, so there's no need to set up servers or manage infrastructure, and everything runs in the cloud. It also has a hybrid search support, which means it combines vector similarity with keyword filtering. However, it comes with some cons. The pricing can get expensive. They also have a vendor lock-in risk, which means being a proprietary cloud service means you're tied to their platform. They also have a limited on-premise options, and they're more on the focused use case. So overall, Pinecone is an excellent choice if you need a fast, reliable, and fully managed vector database for AI applications. It's particularly strong for semantic search and a large-scale embedding use cases.